Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anupama, I'm a sports nutritionist. Today I'm sharing the recipe of a sprout chaat, very good for evening snacks, and also you can use it as a wholesome dinner option also. So for this what I've done is I've taken kala chana, I've washed it and I've tied it up in a muslin cloth overnight, and they have sprouted up well. This is our main ingredient, and you can also mix and match with other dals also if you want to. For this what I've done is I've taken the around 250 grams of sprouted kala chana. In this I'm going to add around 1 cup of water. I don't want it to be too much watery because I'm not going to drain this water out, and salt at this point in time because it will mix well. So let that go on for medium heat for 3 whistles. It's done, and this is how it is very well done right now. We'll just keep it aside, and my rest of the ingredients are corn, again boiled and kept. This is red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper. I'm not heated them up, it is raw. This is paneer. I have sauteed it in ghee. Lemon, fresh coriander leaves. For extra zing, you can add more lemon. And chaat masala for the flavor. So this is very basic. You can again add more if you have, or you can go lesser. It's totally up to you. To start off, it's a super simple recipe, guys. Just keep adding everything together and mix it well. So I've just added the corn, now the red bell pepper followed by the yellow one. The only time consuming part is chopping all the veggies which you need to add in this. Otherwise it's super simple and super quick thing. If you have it in the fridge, you can just take it out and mix everything, and it's a super healthy snack for you because they are rich in protein. And right now I'm very sure most of you would be avoiding or are avoiding, because my clients do tell me we are vegetarian right now because of the bird flu. Chicken, eggs are like out of option. So yes, you could look at this as a very good dinner option. So as you can see, I'm not drained out the water. I'm going to let it go. So you just got to mix all of this together nicely. I have not added green chilies and ginger if you want to. Also onions if you want to add. I have not added because I'm going to store it and maybe eat it later, maybe after it, like tomorrow also, because the quantity is pretty large, so it will come for a day or two. So at the end, just sprinkle some chaat masala over it. Salt is totally as per taste because I've already added with the chana. You have to check how much you want to add. Just keep tasting so that you know how much to go for. And last, just add a little bit of lemon. Now lemon is that zinc flavor. So again I have added 1 lemon. If you want to go ahead and add more to make it more chatpata, you can surely go ahead and add more. So this is almost ready. Just to get some greens in the color, I'm going to add fresh coriander. I love the flavor of fresh coriander leaves. So there you go, it's done. Just mix it well so that everything is nicely, the flavors actually come together. And especially salt is not concentrated at one place, so that is the main thing. I'm just going to take 1 spoon and going to just try it. It's wholesome, it is delicious. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.